Hello, welcome to Brainy equation. Today we are going to solve a great question, which is 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over 10. So x plus y are unknown. So let's begin. 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over 10. So by taking LCM, so we have xy. So xy divided by x gives y plus xy divided by y gives x is equal to 1 over 10. Now we will cross multiply them and we will multiply xy with 1 and 10 with the y plus x with this expression. So we are going to write 10 times y plus x is equal to xy. So multiplying 10y plus 10x is equal to xy. Now bring 10y plus 10x to the other side. We get xy minus 10y. 10 times y plus 10 times x is equal to 0. So here we will add xy minus 10y times y plus 10 times x. We will add 100 on both sides. So here we will group these to this expression xy minus 10 times y and 10 times x plus 100. We can factor out y from here. X minus 10, and here we will factor out 10 minus 10. Here we will get x minus 10 because we have minus sign outside of this bracket is equal to 100. So in the next step we have y minus 10 times x minus 10 is equal to 100. At this step we will look for the factors of 100. Factors of 100 are 1 multiplied by 100, or we can write 100 multiplied by 1 and 10 multiplied by 10. So here we have three cases: case 1, case 2, and case 3. We will discuss all three cases one by one. Let's begin with the case 1. So we will write here this expression y minus 10 times x minus 10, and the first case is 1 multiplied by 100. From here we have y minus 10 equal to 1 and x minus 10 equal to 100, equal to 1 and x minus 10 is equal to 100. From here we have y is equal to 1 plus 10, and we will get y is equal to 11. On the other hand side, x is equal to 100 plus 10, and we have 110. X is equal to 110. Now we need to calculate x plus y. So by using these two values, we will calculate x plus y. So here x plus y is x plus y is equal to 110 plus 11. It is equal to 121. It is equal to 121. So we have x plus y is equal to 121. So in the first case, we have calculated the value of x plus y, which is 121. Now case 2. So we have y minus 10 times x minus 10, and for case 2 we have 100 multiplied by 1. So we will write 100 multiplied by 1. Here we have y minus 10 is equal to 100 and x minus 10 is equal to 1. From here we have y is equal to 100 plus 10. It is equal to 1. Y is equal to 110. and here we have x is equal to 1 plus 10. So it gives us x is equal to 11. From here we will calculate x plus y. We have 110 plus 11, it is equal to 121. So x plus y in this case, in second case, again 121. The same value. Now case 3. For case 3 we will take this one, 10 multiplied by 10, y minus 10 times x minus 10 is equal to 10 multiplied by 10. From here we have y minus 10 is equal to 10 and x minus 10 is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 plus 10. We have here y is equal to 20 and x minus 10 is equal to x is equal to 10 plus 10. We have x is equal to 20. From here we have x plus y, 20 plus 20. It is equal to 40. So x plus y in this case is equal to 40. It means for this equation 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over 10. We have xy, the value of xy is 121 and 40. Because we have 121 in second case and in first case, the same value we will take it once and then 40. So it is the final value of x plus y, the answer to our question. And this value, and this one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions. Till the next video, bye.